Good morning. I wanted to bring you guys a SNAP EBT outage update. Now, there have been reports that I have received from multiple people across multiple states around the country that the SNAP EBT program cards are not being accepted, they're being declined. But then for some terminals and some locations, one of which being a Quick Trip gas station, it worked just fine. So we still have varying reports coming in. I even heard one report that there was possibly some space debris that has destroyed the satellite that allows this system to communicate between the terminals and the government mainframe system that manages the EBT. There's been reports that possibly there's a voucher system that's you're capable of using at time of checkout that would apply, that would basically be a handwritten ledger that would then be deducted from your account in the future. I don't know if that is accurately true or if it's available widespread for everyone. And the reports and claims that Walmart is giving everybody $100 of free food, I believe, is 100% false. I have no actual real information to prove that. I think that was just somebody gaslighting the comments. There has been reports that this was a planned outage, but I think that was isolated to Illinois and their link system crossover that they had planned last week. So I think that this is a completely separate incident and this was not planned. However, I do not have any information to confirm nor deny that. I did see a report last night that it was back up and running for some, but this morning I'm checking again and I don't see any widespread reports of the system being back up. If anyone out there is an EBT or SNAP user, please comment below and let us all know the status of the situation, whether or not your card is functioning or active today, or if you're still being greeted at grocery stores with signs and management and employees telling you that the cards will not be accepted for EBT, SNAP, food stamp program. And also, for those folks leaving negative comments for those who use the EBT SNAP program to buy food and groceries, let's please try to be respectful of everyone. We don't know everyone's financial situation, whether they're using this system to get by or if they're abusing this system just for free government assistance. I can say that if anyone is actually using this program as for its intended purpose for government assistance, let's talk about finding ways to get you off of this system and not dependent and relying upon the government to make sure your family has the ability to eat. As you can see that they can quickly shut that off if they needed to, or if there was any glitch in the system. This should be a stepping stone, somewhat of a bridge to get you on your feet up and running. This should not be used as a program that you're going to live your life based off of and ultimately mooch off the government system for perpetuity, indefinitely, just getting free food or free money for food, with some folks out there using this money to buy junk food, expensive food, unnecessary items, when they should really be putting this to great use. For those who really truly do need this program and are using it correctly and responsibly, again, you do not have to subject yourself to their aid 100%, and you can find ways to elevate beyond that and get off of this system and find ways to increase your income and make more money so that you don't have to rely on government funding for your ability to eat and survive. And I know there's some folks out there that are in some small town, rural areas that there aren't many opportunities, but we do have the internet, we do have computers and technology that you need to use to your advantage to get yourself out of that situation if you so choose. If you do not and you choose to stay there, then that's on you. But again, let's please be respectful of all in the comments, and let's focus on just addressing the issue at hand and finding out if this system is actually back up and running today, or if it's possibly still down, and if so, for how much longer.